In today's video, we are reviewing Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum. If you have pets, this vacuum might be the easiest way to finally win the hair battle at home. Before we start, the link to this cordless vacuum is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's jump in and see why the Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus is getting so much attention. First, it uses Shark's HyperVelocity suction, which means it feels seriously powerful for a cordless stick vacuum, and it handles everyday messes like crumbs, dust, and tracked-in dirt without you needing to go over the same spot again and again. One of my favorite features is the FloorDetect technology, because it automatically detects if you're on carpet or hard floors and adjusts the brush roll speed for you, so you don't have to think about settings or switch attachments just to get good results. If you hate cleaning under couches and beds, you'll love the MultiFLEX wand, because it bends so you can reach under furniture without fully bending your back. And when you're done, it also folds down for compact storage, which is perfect for apartments or small closets. For pet owners, the big win here is the no hair wrap, self-cleaning brush roll. So you get strong pet hair pickup without that annoying tangled hair stuck around the roller. Another huge plus is the HEPA filtration with an Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, which helps trap dust and allergens and keeps them from blowing back into the air, making it a smart pick for anyone with allergies or a home that gets dusty fast. You also get up to 50 minutes of runtime in standard mode, which is enough for most homes to do a full clean without constantly charging, and the LED headlights on the floor head make it easy to spot hidden dust in dark corners or under furniture. Overall, if you want a powerful cordless vacuum that's easy to use, great for pet hair, and smart on both carpets and hard floors, the Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus is a super solid choice. And once again, check the link in the description below to grab it at the best price in the market.